Welcome to REDeLEARN. Take a look inside this great new interactive platform that will engage and enhance your Year 3 to 6 students' learning across the curriculum. REDeLEARN is a safe online environment that has been specifically designed for inquiry-based learning across hundreds of non-fiction articles. Students will find the design easy to use with interactive navigation and responsive layouts that complement visually appealing text and imagery. Let's get started. Simply log in with your username and password and you're ready to explore. Today, we're going to investigate geography and take a look at land in Australia. Using the visual search, we are easily able to navigate through the subject and topic buttons until we reach the Land in Australia article. If we accidentally click on the wrong button, it's easy to go back to the previous section using these breadcrumbs at the top of the page. REDeLEARN is designed to keep students engaged and make learning fun. Together with fact boxes, clearly explained images, videos and sound clips enhance the content and spark further analysing. In red are all the glossary words which can be explained immediately to enhance reading comprehension and understand vocabulary. Click on this icon for a pop-out fast fact. Once a student has finished reading the article, they can click on Discover More to further enrich their research experience. Activities have been designed to encourage critical thinking and allow students to hypothesise and draw conclusions from the article. Take a quiz. This is a fun way to interact with the content and reflect on learning. You can also easily navigate to relating articles using these breadcrumb links. Another way to explore topics is by using the guided keyword search, which is a quick way to jump straight to what you're looking for. Let's take a look at physics. Start typing and choose from the drop-down results. You'll notice the colours have changed as we are now in the science subject. Each subject has its own unique colour scheme. As you can see, REDeLEARN has been designed as an easy-to-use, investigative learning resource that promotes a student's inquiry skills through visual and written searches, while also helping teachers meet curriculum outcomes. I hope you enjoyed this video demonstration of REDeLEARN. For more information, visit redelearn.com.au, call 02 9457 1188 or email info@redelearn.com.au.